How to send or transfer money from Wise to bank account. Hey guys, this is Nina from Create, Log and Delete, and without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up your Wise application. And under here, go on to send at the bottom page. And once you have done that, enter the amount that you want to send on the top option. You'll see how much your recipient will get. And once you are satisfied with that amount, go on to continue at the bottom. Now at this page, add a recipient. If you want to send that money to yourself, then go on to myself. If you want to send it to someone else, go on to second option. And if you are sending that money to a business or organization, go on to the last option. Once you have done that, it will show you this page. Now at this page, enter your account detail. Enter the email of the recipient, your bank detail, and the recipient's date of birth. Once you have done that, tap on confirm, and just like so, this is how you send money from Wise. That's the end of today's tutorial. Thank you all for watching and do subscribe for more.